Hello and good morning everyone and welcome to this vlog. In my last vlog, I think I have scolded you guys for not studying appropriately, for not studying for the appropriate number of hours, and for not studying for the adequate time which is required to be put in by you at this critical juncture. I know I have scolded you a lot, but in this video, I am going to talk to you about a very critical aspect of the examination. And let me first tell you something. This video is not for the students who are already preparing well for the examination. This video is specifically for the students who have filled their examination forms and they have decided to quit June 2019 attempt, and they have decided to give December 2019 attempt. So all those students who are giving their June 2019 attempt, please close this video. This video is not for you guys. This video is only for the students who have decided to quit their June 2019 attempt, and they have filled their examination form thinking that they will give their exams in June 2019. So after my initial video, I got a lot of responses from many students who were telling me that, sir, we because of any reason we have not been able to study well, and I think we are not giving June 2019 attempt, and we are giving December 2019 attempt, and we'll bang a rank or get exemptions, get better marks, and whatnot. So this video is specifically dedicated to those students. So again, I'm repeating, students who are giving their examination in June 2019 should close this video right now. Okay, so now let me talk to the students who are wanting to give their exams in December 2019. My first question to you would be, do you want to clear your exams in June 2019? Obviously, the answer would be a big yes. I know. My second question to you would be, how? How is it possible, sir? Today we are sitting on 15th of May. Barely 15 days of May and probably 10 days or 9 days of June. So in all, we have about say 20-25 days. That's it. So how is it possible? If I tell you yes, it is possible, then so we are going to do whatever you will say, but please make sure that we clear June 2019 attempt. So guys, here it goes. I have given 3 professional examinations, and one thing which has come with me continuously, which has reinforced my belief, is that God is there. Do you believe in God? An obvious answer will be yes. If you believe in God, and if you think that God is by your side, and if you think that you are willing to invest some tips, some willing to experiment with June 2019 attempt, then listen to me carefully. Guys, first and the foremost thing, you have nothing to lose. You had already made up your mind to give your exams in December. I am giving you some simple techniques by which you can at least try to clear your June 2019 attempt. If you qualify your June 2019 attempt, please give a chocolate to me. If you don't, then you have nothing to lose, because you had already decided to quit June 2019 attempt and give your December 2019 attempt. So give your brain a breather, a relaxation, and do not worry, do not take stress, because you have nothing to lose, you have everything to gain. Point number 2, all those things, sir, हमारा attempt count हो जाएगा, if we give in June attempt, then our attempt will be counted. We want to give it in first attempt, so we are going to give December. Sir, I don't think we are in a mind frame of giving both groups now. Would it be possible? Would it be worth trying? All these apprehensions should be chucked out. Just throw away these apprehensions, throw away these emotional tortures and emotional satisfaction, emotional drama which you are giving to yourself. Abandon yourself from this emotional drama. Nothing is impossible in this world. Trust me, nothing is impossible. So it is very much possible. If you are with me, if you are going to follow certain simple steps, I can take, not guarantee, because it's again an experiment. It can go either ways. It can be negative or positive. But if you are willing, if your heart says that yes, I am willing to give June 2019 attempt and at least try for one group maybe, or if a person has filled form for both the groups and he wants to, he has already quit the idea of giving one group. If he wants to try both the groups, then follow certain few steps. Step number 1: abandon, give away, throw away the society and the people around you. For next 20 days, you, your bed, your four walls of your room, your study table, your mother, cup of coffee, and food. That's it. That's it. If you are ready to chuck social media, if you are ready to chuck your relatives, your friends, then I can assure you, you can clear June 2019 attempt. Even if you have not studied for any time before today, if you have not studied at all, you will be able to clear. Step number 1: chuck everything away. Do away with every distraction, television, social media, everything, and focus only and only on one thing. Just like Arjun focused on Eye of the Fish, your focus should be June 2019 attempt. That kind of focus, determination should come within you. Meditation is one very important thing which will help you in those 20 days. So if you can meditate for 5 minutes a day, that will be more than enough. So step number 1: do away with all the social baggages, all the social media, social interactions, relatives, friends, everything for next 20 days. Step number 2: you have 24 hours in a day. Out of those 24 hours, you can easily study for 15 hours a day. Absolutely. I am giving 9 hours to you, mind you, 9 hours to do every other thing. Sleeping is good for 7 hours. 7 hours is more than enough. Trust me, sleeping for more than 7 hours is a waste of time. 7 hours sleeping, 2 hours for other stuff like food, like some recreation. You need some recreation for 1 hour, something of that sort. 9 hours I'm giving away to you. You have to study for 15 hours a day. A student who has studied for past 3 months for 5 hours a day is equivalent to you studying for 15 hours a day for next 20 days. 20 days multiply by 15 hours a day. 300 hours are there at your hand. 300 hours. More than sufficient for at least clearing one group maybe? Yes. Step number 3. So how to study now? Because we have nothing, we don't have notes, we don't have we have not taken coachings, or we have taken coachings but we have not revised. Relax. Please purchase salt scanners. In scanner there is a section called bird's eye view, which gives you a chart of which chapter is important, which chapter is not important. So out of a section of 20 chapters, only and only 4 chapters are the chapters who are regularly appearing, if you see that chart, on an average for both inter and final students. So those 4 chapters come in A category. Balance, out of the balance, about 8 to 10 chapters will be coming on and off. That is B category. And the last category will be the chapters who are lowest in the ranking, and they are the chapters which come in, say, every third attempt, fourth attempt, and for minuscule marks, for 4 marks, for 5 marks each. That is the C category. So guys, you just have to focus on 2 categories, category A and category B. You have to thoroughly do all the questions, practical or theory, from the scanner of category A and B. You can allocate, so if you have 20 days, you can allocate 5 days for each subject. 4, 4, 4. 4 subjects are there, so 5 days for all the 4 subjects. And in 5 days, you have to cover the entire scanner. Guys, not only scanner, but RTP, which has been issued for past 2 attempts, and suggested answers, which have been issued for past 3 or past 4 attempts. Trust me, in 5 days, you can easily cover these things. Scanner, RTP, suggested, more than enough. 5 days you can easily cover the entire 3 things. While you are studying in these 5 days, make sure to reduce the content of the scanner to an extent that you can revise it one day prior to the examination also. So you have to cut down all the unimportant points or the points where you think you need not revise it again. You just cut down those and you have to make it as concise as you will be able to prepare it one day before the examination. This is how you have to study for 5 days, for 5 days per subject. Four subjects, I'm just talking of one group if you want to give one group each. Again, I'm repeating, you have nothing to lose. You have nothing to lose. So there's no stress in mind. If you are going to study stress free, there is a possibility out of 100 marks you only and only need 40 marks, nothing more than 40 marks. And 40 marks is attainable even by minuscule studying, which is only by doing scanners, RTPs and PTPs. That is more than enough. So overall you need 50 marks. 50 marks. In some subjects you need more than 50 marks. In rest of the subjects you will need less than 50 marks. So there will be an averaging out. That averaging is possible. Some people have natural fluency in theory subjects. So some people will gain more marks in theory subjects. Some people have natural fluency in practical subjects. So that will average out. You need to have an average of 50 marks. Out of 100 marks, it's very simple to attain this 50 marks even if you do scanner, RTP and suggested answers. That is more than enough. Guys, I'm repeating again, it is not a sure shot formula. I'm not guaranteeing success. But what's the harm in trying? Let's try. What if we had this thing in our destiny and we were not trying? Because destiny plays a very important role. Destiny always steps ahead of human intervention, of human effort. So, trust me, if you wholeheartedly, dedicatedly, for next 20 days, study properly, there is a possibility that you are going to clear your examination even if you have not studied for the past 3 months, because the hours, study hours, which is 15 hours a day, will be almost equivalent to the student who is studying for past 3 months about 5 hours a day, or past 2 months for about 5 hours a day. You will equate to that student and you will have a fair chance of attempting your examination. So do not make this mistake of filling the examination form and not going to the examination center. Go to the examination center with full confidence. Attempt whatever you know. Attempt it 100%ly and touch wood, I think you guys will pass. Then we are going to party hard. So all the very best and happy studying.